Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers. Today I am going to show you how to walk on the globe. When you get on the center of the globe, what you want to do is continuously move your feet up and down rather rapidly. And each time that you do that, you want to go back to the top of the ball, the very center of the ball. It's what I call the sweet spots. You're walking like a penguin or Charlie Chaplin. Here's another view. It's best to bring the ball close to a chair so that you don't have to hop up onto it when you're first starting to learn. It's better to walk off of something right onto the ball. Such as this railing. Again, what you want to do is continuously move up and down at the center of the ball. And while you're doing that, pushing the ball into the direction that you want to go. It's best to have someone holding your hands when you're first starting to learn. After a while, you'll be able to control it and turn around, go backwards, which you would have to walk forwards to go backwards, and walking backwards to go forwards. Once you've practiced it enough and you feel comfortable about hopping on, what you want to do is get up, hop up onto it with one foot, of course, but as soon as you get that one foot on, you want to get that second foot up there so you can start balancing it properly as quickly as you can. As soon as you get up there, put that second foot up there. And again, just keep the ball moving, keep those feet going up and down. You don't want to keep them off of the ball long. You want them to keep contact to the ball as often as possible. Standing on one foot is almost impossible. Jumping rope is possible, juggling is possible, hula hooping is possible, and as I've seen a fellow performer, Danny Grant, with the Cowboy Circus, he spins a rope while he's on it, jumps off of the ball and into the rope and into a wedding ring, such as I showed you on my rope spinning video. Click the like button, make a comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Fritzy Brothers.